Hi everyone, this is Kathy Salisbury, the director of the Ambler Arboretum of Temple University. By now you've likely heard that a confirmed EF2 tornado touched down here at the Ambler campus and the Ambler Arboretum and the Ambler field station. And I just wanted to show you a bright spot that we found here today, and to just let you know a little bit about what's going on. So many of you have reached out to us with offers of help and volunteering and support, and we want to take you up on all of that, believe us. But right now the area is still dangerous. It's still a construction area, and we have a lot going on. We have tree crews in here getting things accessible. We have electricians in here making sure everything's safe. And even yesterday we had the president of Temple University come in and let us know that we will be rebuilding and coming back strong. And so we're really excited about that. And as we clean up, it is very hard to look at things here. We definitely have lost some of our collection, a great amount of our collection. But every day we clean up, we find new bright spots. We find areas that look untouched, like they did before a tornado touched down here. In other areas, is much different. But we look at those as full of possibility and potential now, ways to tell new stories. And we're even thinking about now is the time for us to focus on climate change and discussing that and its implications for places like this and areas like ours. So there is so much possibility here. So it's easy to cry, but it's also easy to find reasons to smile. And so I want everybody to know that. And I also want you to know that as soon as we can, we will have you in here helping, because we definitely need your help. As soon as it's safe to get people in here, we will be. So please keep in touch, get on our mailing lists, so that as soon as you can be involved, when and where you can be. Now I'm going to show you today what we found and tell you a little bit about it. I normally don't put myself on these videos. I normally show you the plants, but let me switch you around and show you what we found. So, of course, you can hear the chippers going and the chainsaws going here, but hopefully you can also hear the trickle of our fountain. Many of you know our formal gardens here and the pavilions that are at the ends of them. They're pretty iconic. And so is this girl with the pitcher fountain that we have here. She sort of has become a symbol of the formal gardens here and our history as the Pennsylvania School of Horticulture for Women. And you can see that she's surrounded by trees that are down. And unfortunately, one of the pavilions has been lost, but fortunately one seems like it will be okay. And when I saw her this morning, the electric came back on, and I saw her this morning and the fountain was running, and it was just one more sign of hope that we will still be able to acknowledge our history here, the importance of this space, the value of this place to the university and the community, and that we'll also be able to come back and rebuild and be as strong and beautiful and important as ever. It's going to take some time, but we will get there. Thank you all for your support. Thank you all for reaching out. We will be in touch as soon as we can. Thank you so much.